Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what matters. Install and open the translator, then grant microphone and camera access so speech and text work. Choose the source and target languages, and, if you expect no internet, download the offline language pack now. Once done, make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data for real-time accuracy. Speak clearly and face the camera when translating signs or menus. This reduces errors and speeds processing, which is why you skipped extra setup and started translating immediately. Now you move into execution. Pick a mode: conversation for back and forth, camera for signs, text for typed input, voice for one-way speech. Once in mode, fine-tune dialect and speech rate so pronunciations match. Enable auto-detect when source language is unknown. Make sure to use the phrasebook to store common translations and save favorites for quick access. If a translation looks off, edit it manually. This trains your memory and often improves future suggestions. Keep transitions smooth. Switch mode when context. To finish, validate translations before you act, especially for directions, medical info, or legal text. Read aloud to check tone and meaning. If the app misbehaves, clear cache, toggle microphone/camera permissions, or reinstall. These steps reset corrupted settings. If accuracy remains poor, switch to another translator app or ask a human interpreter for critical communications. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice recognition fails, move to text input. Typing removes ambient noise issues and usually returns accurate results faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.